Okay, yeah, it's recording. I don't know how long it can record. But yeah. Yeah. This is me and Stephanie after we did our hair. I curled mine. She straightened hers. What the heck? I straightened hers actually. You're welcome. And then I'm using the mirror so I can see myself. But yes. And yeah, we're just gonna do stuff, I guess. What you know about me? The song Lip Gloss is on. It's like the pimpinest song ever.
The glasses
What the heck? I'm putting this on YouTube, you know, so I want to act. I'm gonna try it on.
Stop it. Then I gotta try my awesome glasses.
Wait. You can zoom in with these buttons. Like my lip gloss? Wait. Okay, everyone laughs at my glasses. Don't. Hello? Is it still going?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone laughs at my glasses. Don't laugh, because they're awesome. They may look funny, but shut up.
Now, let's wait. Are they on? Dun, 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 dun.
What the heck?
Where out?
What the heck is that?
Oh, that looks cool. Wow.
Okay.
This sexy mama for all these boys. She is going to go on Girls Gone Wild.
What the heck?
Look at her beautiful body. Oh, and her hair is so curly. Oh, and look at that shirt, number 14. That's a lucky number.
Okay. That was odd. But yes. Okay, now what should we try on? See where this goes. Sweet, it goes right on the bed. Ready? No, yeah. Okay. What the fuck? No, don't wear that. What the heck? If you break that, you're putting it back up. Oh crap, my battery is low. No, it's not. I just filled up the batteries, god dang it. Hey, we've been drinking like 10 of these. Yes. Isn't it awesome?
Wait.
Oh, uh-oh.